Hello, Summer? Is that you calling?
I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-boom. I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-boom. I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-boom. See you later, I'm about to blow this. See you later, see you later, I'm about to blow this. See you later, see you later, I'm about to blow this. See you later, see you later, I'm about to blow this.
Hi, my royals. Welcome back to another episode of what? Arriving in Berlin. And guess what we're doing today? We're going for a ball cruise. I noticed that when I talk louder with this mic close to my mouth, I'll be shouting. And we don't do that here. That is not so demure, right? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming. My name is Royalty and you're officially a royal, okay? And if you're old, dear baby, you and I, you know, we're logged in and I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, everything, okay? I don't want to talk too much. Let's just go.
You ain't gotta turn me up, cause I'm already turned up. They done stole my swag, riding waves like Subway Surfer. You taking notes on how to be a boss like me, I don't blame you. Feel like Golden State in 2016, I can't be tamed. I'm the one, you like number 2 or 3, catch up. Hey, don't hate the player, hate the game, why you man my bands up? You a rookie, I'm a vet, so when you speak, you come correct. Crunch time or under pressure, boy, I bet I passed the test. Been in the studio for 40 hours straight, I'm a lab rat. Spent the bag, triple that, you can vouch I did that. You can't talk money to me when you can't even pay your debt. Taking trips to different states, I'm on the way, I'll be right back. I can't be guarded, clan step. I'm plugged in just like some Wi-Fi. I ain't just a rapper, I get money and get active. Piping it was natural, I ain't have to try to practice.
See another list come on.
You ain't gotta turn me up, cause I'm already turned up. They done stole my swag,
I'm here to,
riding waves like
capture
Subway
the
Surfer.
Instagram.
You taking notes,
That's me.
like me, I don't blame you. Feel like Golden State in 2016, I can't be tamed. I'm the one, you like
I feel pressure, man. And if now oh baby, share you with you. I'ma give me one no stress. Oh yeah, baby, walk with your deal. Want me now? Like my money, you have me love. So you keeping us apart, she just drive me nuts. This figure 8 so they make me run now. Baby girl, you they make me fun now. Your body back for a reason. Sing a fight for a living. I shoot my shot like I'm Messi. Baby girl, you make me sing. Sexy lady, all the things you do. Hey,
We are learning from you.
down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
But the news is really still real. That's why you gotta feel.
bands, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Watched it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a upfront, focus like Khalifa, put the wheat in it. We get drunk, so what we smoke weed, we're just having fun. We don't care who sees, so what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. But you was going on my phone last night, but she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. But that's that nerve. Watch her whip the heart when she rather have a pose. Watch her whip the itch when she rather have none. You know how the game goes, she be mine by halftime. I'm the that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Mermaid, Julian, this bitch, no flamingos. And I done did every day. One trust these, how you see me? When a rich nigga want you, and you can't do nothing for you.
That's true.
This your kilo, this your bar, and if you for my head. On God, I'm gonna let that escalate easy. Get fast,
Swagalama. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Do you regret now?
Actually not bad. Actually not bad.
Yeah, you said short as long time when I take it, leave it alone and then so it takes a flip.
Come on.
It still has something.
Carry you for head over, man. Mama.
But the first one they brought alcohol. I told him. That was what he told them. If I don't stress him, please, what is what? I want to die here. Tell me now. I thought you were dancing. Money constant. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright. Let's go. Shake your body. Shake your body. Shake your butter. Shake your butter. Shake your body. Shake your body. Shake your butter. Shake your butter. Oh. Alright. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go. It's okay. It's okay. I've never seen a girl like this before. With a killing it slow, and the dance they do too sweet. Sexy lady Tobago. This kind of dance you do as well. Say which kind of dance you can do for me as well. Ha, say which kind of dance you they do. Say this kind of dance they do like say you they juju. Say this kind of dance they do like say you they make me mad. Oh, say this kind of dance they do like say you they make me crazy. Oh, say the way dance they do as well. Say this kind of dance they make me crazy as well. Say this guy dance they do, they make my crazy as well. Say this guy dance they do too sweet for man as well. Say baby dance you Kejijo, Kejijo baby dance you Kejijo, Kejijo, oh yeah dance you Kejijo. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Tempera is about to end it. Tozy, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Bounce it down. Bounce it down. Bounce it down. Bounce it down. We are about to change the vibe. We are about to change the vibe. We are about to change the vibe. Okay. Okay now. Okay. Okay now. Okay. Okay now. Okay. All right. DJ Tempera for the bitch, you know how we're doing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, We go down.
Black African, woman indulge life from Berlin to Cologne, living in the Deutschland. Everybody knows I'm an African man. Just like
Give me my money today. No time to check my job. Pay my money, no give me some kind of trouble. Let's go, come on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Collect my money. You want to dance or you want to shake? Oh yeah. Don't bless you. Chop the rice and banana. I can do my best. Crazy, One, it's a band. Too many girls for my fellow. Elegance, why see they go?
My boys don't have when you no brother. I ask your mommy, I will lay your bag on. Why you ask your daddy, I will lay your bag. Money go ask your nanny, I will lay your bag on. Why you ask your daddy, I will lay your bag on.
Bust it down right now. Carolina, yeah. All right, Carolina. Sakuma, Kritikuma, Sakuma, Kritikuma.
Baby, that's still Bring that.
Lembra que também são aqueles velhos que quando vê em bosque, estão no lume, se aproveitam, faz gata.
All right. Welcome.
We're not gonna leave Germany out. We're gonna go to Germany. We're not playing German songs. Come on. We're making numbers okay. What are you doing? Come on, bro.
She like the way I dance. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way I move. She like to clap for a nigga. She gon' clap for a nigga. If she throw it back for a nigga. She gon' clap for a nigga.
This is how we do. We're going for the after party.
Hey, we don't go.
We're going for the after party. We're going for the after party.
We just need to stop there. See how far we got
Very stupid.
It's time. Guys, let's talk about an after party. The after party time eating. We are here eating. We came to a restaurant. We are just eating. Someone wants to sleep.
You're not going anywhere.
Tired.
Sit there, sit there.
Yes.
Sorry, me, I will beg you.
I was the one who convinced you to come.
Everybody's questioning their decision
I
now.
was the one who convinced you to come.
When Africans say after party, just know you're coming to eat. But that's all we came to do. We came here to eat. We were supposed to come for an after party. But we're here to eat. Everyone is just eating, guys. I don't know where we're going. It's like the party is actually happening right over there. See people dancing. And that's what happens when you come and do an after party in a restaurant. We're not gonna dance, we're gonna eat. Don't say it, Chabibia.
Are you?
See, when I came here, I danced. Oh yeah, dance. Dance. Hey, dance. You. Day 2 of thriving in Berlin. Yesterday was what? We had a boat cruise. That was what having a boat cruise in Berlin looked like, okay? And today, can you tell what we're doing? Can you tell what we're doing? Yeah. I know Ghana is out. Don't tell me. I know we are out. But since my jersey came right after we had been kicked out, I needed to wear it. So today is the finals of the the World Cup. So we're going to watch. We're gonna support Spain wearing Ghana jersey. Yes, so that's where we currently on our way. One of our friends hosted us
today at their prison was amazing. Chica, I know you've been watching. Thank you so much. Today was so fun. Today was great. We had a nice time. We really did. And hopefully we get more. Not even hopefully, we definitely will, you know, more to come along the way. We'll see you guys when we get there, okay?
Yeah, they're both retired. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I need to Hi, my love. Today is Saturday. Last week you saw how a boat cruise party can be in Berlin, and today I'm gonna show you how a picnic or a barbecue picnic is done in Berlin. Okay, so first let's get ready. First, yes, because I don't like my hands getting all messy. Makeup can be messy. Like I've come to do something better. Nothing I'm come to do. But yeah, starting off first, I'm gonna use this prep and set thingy just to prep my face. Let it dry. Oh, where's my phone? Next, primer. First, I'm gonna use the green one. Elf. I don't know. I just know it's green. Oops, please don't fall. Then I go in with this one. I won't use a lot. I don't like a lot of things on my face. Foundation. Yes. And I use NARS. I need to get a new one. I can make it again on it. 100 months, make it rain on it. Oh baby, do you love me? Do you want me? Do you hands all on my body? No worries, go crazy, ah. Sleep.
None of the work that I've gotten is entirely through social media. But when I first started my career,
Why did I do that? Why did I open my eyes? Kiss it better, baby. I'm done. Maybe I'm late. Where we going with? I'll do a 4, maybe get there or something, okay? Let's go. We are obviously not going to touch some bread. This one? Oh, I thought the one that they gave. That's so cute. Yeah, so hey, it's like she was early. You, what time do you guys get here? I wasn't like doing something. Yeah, almost 4. It's like wow, you're great. Yeah, you guys should have watched it. I actually was. You have to order a dramatic drink. Yeah. I know what I want. I mean, we can ask them what it is. Antidote. I think the 2 of them. Antidote. Yeah. Oh, you got the antidote. Say it's sweeter. What? Say it's sweeter. Say it, yeah. Okay. Of course. From the straw, and here you have the syringe. I'm bringing up, don't worry. This is what is supposed to happen. It's a syringe with an aperitif, no alcohol at all. You mix it with your cocktail. For you, first you put the blue and then the clear one. You drink only from the straw. First the blue and then the... Exactly. And I drink from the straw. Okay, very good. Wait, which one was yours again? I know. I'm coming back for the beer to ask because they gave me cold one. Which one was hers again? What did you order again? There is something. Oh, these colors. That looks like a berry. Yeah. Everyone ordered something romantic. Oh, I missed it. Okay. It got charred. Yeah, I think it did. Order my food now. Can I order your drink? But yeah, it's alright, so... She said first the blue, right? Yeah. Guys, watch me do magic. If it's not dramatic, what will you do? I will charge it. If it's not dramatic, first the blue. Dramatic enough. Oh, it changes color. That is a drama. Interesting. People don't know what only drink from the straw. It's room temperature. It's room temperature. Oh, you don't like cold? Really? I don't like cold beer. Napkin. Yeah, she said she was going to bring a napkin. The syringe, who was inside? Yeah. She said something, but I forgot what she poured. She said you only drink with a straw. And then you pour it. You only drink with a straw. I don't know to get cider. Okay, guys. Wait now. Oh, infusion. If it doesn't do anything. Stop. Don't splash on us. Yours was already dramatic now. I think that's the sweet part.
Good. Yours is still doing the thing.
Wait, which one was yours again?
I know.
I'm coming back from the beer to ask if they gave me a compliment.
Which one was hers again? What did you order again?
There is something. I don't know. Please tell us. It's actually looking like a berry.
Yeah. And that's the royal wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and stay part of the Lifestyle Lounge. Until next time, stay glam, stay bold, and keep shining your crown on.